So good morning everyone. It's 8:35 and I'm at Accra station right now. The thing is that as always, I'm late. It's 8:35. But as you know, it's India and I love India for this reason. The trains are most of the time late. So the train has not arrived in station yet. So waiting for the train. Avijit is not going to college today because he thinks that he needs a break from college so that he can study. So let's see. I will have to go alone and come alone. So let's go to the college. We then arrived at 8:50, but we have reached Lake Garden station at 9:12. So let's walk for 10 minutes and try to reach our college as soon as possible, because if we will be getting late, then if I will reach after 9:40, then the thing is like it will be counted as a half day, because if I sign in after 9:40, it will be counted as a half day, or else if I leave before 3:30, it will also count as a half day. It's the rules and regulation of our college. So for that reason, I'll have to walk as fast as possible to reach before 9:30, because after reaching the college, I will have to go to the toilet and then enter. So that's the main reason. So let's walk. 9:21 and I have reached around half of the way. So I hope that I will be reaching before time, because if I don't, then I will do one thing, that I will log in from the other what we can say, other part. We have 3 different buildings in our college, so the way from which I am going towards the college. So the first building is for the BM, means business management students. So I can log in from that if I will be late, so that I will get around 2-3 minutes more if I log in from there. So I try to log in from there and then go towards our building in which the finance batch is sitting, so that no late count would be given as of today. So let's try, as it's 23 right now. So I have around 17 minutes left to reach the college. So let's try. So it's 9:25 and I have reached around, like, I just need to walk only 50 meters, no, around 150 meters to reach the college. So I am not logging in from the PM building. I am going towards the finance building and then I will walk in from there. So as of now, 2 periods are over. First period was with Pinaki sir. It was for banking, and second period was with Natasha ma'am, and the third period will be also with Natasha ma'am of accounts, because we have 2 consecutive accounts periods today. So after that we'll have our lunch break. Accounts class is going good. Final accounts have been done. Let's see. I need to do some practice about it, because I'm not practicing accounts right now, so it will be hard for me during the exams and all. So I need to focus on accounts also. Free food is being delivered, and today is less crowded. It's nice. The thing is that we were having meeting for quiz club and it's over. So our next class was also with Natasha ma'am, and the break period is also, we had our lunch. Now going towards the class. Our class is going to start right now. So the next class is about, I think, mutual fund, and after that we had class of mutual fund test. So let's go. So I have Lake Garden station. Like, I was late to get out of the college because today it was a mock test assessment in our class. So we needed to complete the full assessment and then we were allowed to get out of the class. So I have completed the assessment before, but I was talking to my friends, that's why I left college at 5, 5:06 maybe 5 past 6 minutes. So I had to run towards the current station. And the thing is that while I was coming here, I knew that I live in India, so the train will be late. But precaution is better than cure. If I would have missed this train, then I would have to wait for more around 40 minutes or 15 minutes to get for the next way to get the next train. But hopefully it's 5:16, and the train has not reached here yet. So the train should have come at 5:11, but I'm lucky it's late, and so I will be able to catch the train. So second last class was with Tanuma sir of economics. So national income was, the chapter of national income has just started. So and last period was for the mock test assessment. I got 75. My benchmark for the exam was 77 because previously I have scored 77. But it's okay, it's fine. I got 75 and it's not bad. I hope it will improve soon. Means like from the next exam it will be better. So for today it's good, and I think that Ankit sir is happy with my result, because I've seen some of the students were using ChatGPT and all, but still they scored less than me. But it's good, like I did it all myself, so I'm feeling quite happy for it. So the train is coming right now, and we'll get into the train and go home. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. You know what? I think that the train time is at 5:16. I thought it's 5:11, but I don't have the internet. That's why I didn't check. But train arrived at 5:20. So it's fine if it's 5:16 and it arrived at 5:20. It's fine for me. I will reach home soon.